Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add texture to object in Blender. So we will add a simple image to the object and we will see how it works. Okay, so first we need to do is create here a new object. So I go to add, then I go to mesh, and here you need to select the object that you want to use. For example, I select here cone. Then we need to change the mode, so I will do it now. We need to select this one mode, display in material preview mode. After that, we need to go to this bookmark, material properties, and here we have big new button. We need to click on this one button. Okay, so what we need to do now, we need to go to the base color and click on this one dot. Now we need to change the settings to image texture. We need to select this one option, and now we need to add an image that we want to use. So for example, I click here on open button, and we need to open directory where we have an image. So for example, I select this one image, object.jpg, and I click open image. After that, image will be successfully added to the object. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thanks you for watching.